How do you rank a product on Amazon? This is the question I ask myself and play with the answer maniacally. The first thing is do nothing. Now, I don't recommend that, but if you list your product correctly, here's an example of a brand that we just did this to prove a point. That you can list a product and do nothing but list it and make money with it. Not a lot, mind you, but completely passively hands-off simply because we just listed it on Amazon. That's how powerful Amazon is as a search engine. The easiest way is the sales velocity spike. So we were really the first ones that brought this to our customers in this way. I said to my customers one day, I said, if you could cut a check to Amazon to show up on page 1 for your best search terms, how big of a check would you write? In other words, would you write a check for $5,000 if it meant $100,000 in sales for you within the next 60 days? Would you do that? Please tell me yes. Because otherwise, there's not much hope for you. If we would write a check for $5,000 and that would come back to $100,000, you do that all day long. And that's, in all essence, pretty much what you do in a situation like this. You provide your new product at a massive, deep discount. You make people search and find your product on Amazon and apply a coupon to get the deep discount, which increases your conversion rate to like 50% because people, if they go and search and find it and they can get it for 90 or 95 or 99% off, the conversion rate plus the search and the find and the buy plus the number of people doing that in a short time on a brand new product, there's your rank. Simple as that. And you say, Jason, aren't I losing money on a sale? You're losing money on every single sale if you're giving your product away for 90 or 95% off. But that's like writing a check to put yourself right there where all your customers are looking for that product. This is a specific example to show you what I mean. Brand new vitamin C serum, just $1.30. First thing you need to do is grab your coupon code. There it is, SELL0402. Now that you have the coupon code, go to Amazon.com and type in the word vitamin C serum. When you find our product, click on it. Then we show them what that looks like, right? Then we say apply this discount code at checkout, and here's what it'll look like, and then place your order. Simple as that. This works wonderfully. It worked when we first started selling on Amazon back in 2013, and it works just as good today. Maybe even better, arguably. It is simply a way of providing freebies, discounts, deep discounts, giveaways, whatever you want to call them, so you accelerate the process to put yourself right there. Because Amazon says, wow, you must be relevant. All these people are searching and finding and buying from you. Look at the conversion rate. Look at the number of people. And specifically, look at, they're searching. And they're skipping over everybody else to buy from you. Works like a charm. In fact, there are services, if you know where to look on the internet, who will do this for you, where you have to give away like $1,000 or $2,000 worth of product and then pay them money to distribute and give your products away. And people do it all day long. Not a lot of people, because a lot of people don't know about this, but the people who do, they're raking in fortunes because they're paying a little bit of money up front to make a lot of money day in and day out on Amazon. A guy like David Hamilton, he started with us and very quickly, within a short amount of time, already started seeing sales. And what he did was he had his friends and family do what I just told you about. So via friends and family, he turns this little search, find, buy party into a $100,000 business. And Helen gives away just 100 units. And 30 days later, she's at 6,000 pounds. And Jeremy starts with giveaways using the Ben Cummings formula. And then all of a sudden, he goes from February 3rd to 7 days later at $5,000 to 4 days after that to $10,000 to 1 day after that, $17,000. By April, he's up to $25,000, and 6 days later, he's up to $50,000. So yeah, deep discounts work like a charm. Here's the good news. That's just one way of doing it. Just one way. There are a lot of other ways.